Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel The Unbox Diary. Today I am excited to unbox the Audionic Airpods, and it's even more special because they are celebrating their 21st anniversary. Audionic has been sound of today's Pakistan since very long. Let's take a look at these sleek earbuds and see what's make them different. तो साथ ही साथ मैंने ऑडियोनिक की वेबसाइट ऑन की हुई है ताकि आप लोग देख सकें कि दे हैव ह्यूज वैरायटी इन एयरपोर्ट्स. You can check they have different and unique color in their AirPods. The AirPods that I have ordered are S680 and I have been using them since a month and I am loving them. सबसे पहले they provide us user manual, then 1 year warranty card, then we have their feature book, then we have our AirPods Pro these are not AirPods Pro, these are earbuds with charging box. Then we have unique and nice color. Okay, then we have our charging cable. They have also provided us some air tips. If you're using Audionic AirPods, so do let me know in the comments about its quality and you love it or not. Thank you.